Mhlawumbe uyazibuza ukuthi isigawulana. Zwakala, awuthi ngikubonise. Now my ingredients of vandag. So vandag bafethu shaya smoked rib Gatsby. So qala nge-mustard as a binder, and then sithi braai hero yethu. And then sithi SPG. Danko bafethu. And then uyazi angithengele ngamahhala. We're gonna smoke these for an hour. Danko. After an hour, they should look something like this. Maraskaqedi bafethu. We're gonna wrap them up. Qala ngebutter qala, and then sithi honey, and then sithi nyama yethu, sithi more butter on top, little bit more honey, and then say wrap. Uyazi. Danko. Back to the smoker for another hour. And then Chef Tiseto is going to chop some potatoes to make some fries. We're gonna be leaving the skin on. Makaqeda chopper, they look something like this. We'll be doing a double fry method, meaning we'll fry akala and then let them cool down, and then we're gonna fry them at a higher temperature to get them crispy. Danko bafethu. Masewaqedile, they look something like this. Guys, trust me, you need to try it. Enjoy. Uyazi bayithanda mayiwethu. Don't forget to baste it and then put it back for another 30 minutes. It's time to get our bread ready. Start by slicing it, spread the buns, and then uyazi secret sauce yethu. And then we say our shredded lettuce, tomato, salt, onion, and then our rib. It's time to lay the meat. Uyazi njaya. Chips on top, cheese, melt the cheese, and then skatsogui wrapper manje. And if your Gatsby does not look like this, Jayam, you did something wrong. That's Gauli. Yo, Shapunjan Bafetu, it's your boy Dali Danger, Mhlezilana, no? That's Gauli. Organjan Bafetu. Can you see this, guys? Cheers. Let's take a bite. Oh. However, Fetu, Lisbonele Nani. Oh, this, I don't know what to call this. Smoked rib, sandwich, Gatsby, I don't know. As always, Bafetu, last bite, soy kreta.
Danko.
Danko.
Eita.